I start cooking when my husband leaves work and I give myself 30 minutes on the clock. Tonight we're having flatbread pizzas with a chopped salad. Let's see if I can beat the clock. You can hear my hamburger cooking in the background. That's gonna be for our flatbreads. Chopped salad on the side. That way we're still getting vegetables, and our daughter will eat a lot of the vegetables out of this. I just have a cucumber. I'm gonna cut it long ways. This is a trick that I learned from Baked by Melissa. If you chop it up really small, then you get more vegetables in every bite. Didn't you know that? We do 1 carrot tonight. This guy's quite big. That's what she said. I have to cut that out. My mom will kill me if I leave that in the video. I don't think my grandma's on TikTok, so I'm safe from her seeing it. We are going to finely grate 1 carrot. I've never used this thing on the bottom of my grater. I feel like it makes sense because I don't want carrots everywhere. Still getting carrots everywhere. We're gonna keep the salad as simple as possible. Carrots, cucumber, onion, romaine lettuce. Having a fight with onions this week, so if I start crying, I'm really sorry. Need some onion for my flatbread, so I did cut them just a little bit more, about a half. Rest to the side for pizza. I'm gonna pre-rinse this, and we are just gonna chop this up super fine, shaved style. Salad goes into the spinner. We're gonna give it another really good rinse, and then we'll spin it off. Salad spinner. This is a must-have kitchen item if you like salads. In. Set this to the side and we'll come back to it at the end. Flatbread though, non-breads. Get these at Sam's Club. I have no idea if Costco has them. I'm guessing your local grocery store probably has something similar. These are a great vessel for a pizza crust. I'm gonna make my daughter's first. She's gonna get some sauce. Hot, hot, hot. Hamburger. Maybe next time I will use a hot pad. Hers is real simple. Sauce, hamburger, layer of fresh mozzarella cheese. I mean, not fresh. You can totally do fresh if you want to take the time to do that. It is better. I cannot deny. Ready. Going right on the pizzazz. Husband's is up next. Sauce, onion, pepperoni, hamburger. I'll come back. Our favorite is canned mushrooms, and somebody is gonna make fun of this. I really do not care. I love a good canned mushroom on a homemade pizza. It is the only thing that I will eat a canned mushroom on. In fact, the thought of just eating straight mushrooms out of the jar kind of grosses me out. But if it's on a pizza with cheese and sauce and warmed up, I'll eat it all day long. And then his just gets cheese. Next one to the pizzazz. Those are gonna cook for 8 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and make mine. I don't care if mine's ready right when they get home. I'll get our daughter all set up with her food first. Pepperoni, hamburger. We're beating that clock tonight. Onion, canned mushroom, top it off with cheese. All of our pizzas are ready to go. I'm just gonna set this over there and I'm gonna finish our salad. Clean as you go. Salad dressing is incredibly simple. I have modified some different vinaigrettes from a few of my favorite creators and have actually just found one that's in a bottle that I think is pretty phenomenal. Red wine vinegar, a lot, like a good tablespoon per head of romaine. Heavy hand of salt. And then I bought this at a weird little grocery store in small town nowhere. And I think you can actually get it at like Target, Walmart, but it's just garlic expressions vinaigrette dressing. I go in with like a tablespoon and a half of that and then just toss. I will eat this on top of my pizza. Don't knock it until you try it. This is so good. You can totally just use like fresh lemon juice, fresh garlic. Those carrots are gonna turn this like an orange salad. Toss that up. We have like 6-7 minutes. 6-7. Actually, I wasn't wrong. It's 6 minutes and 33 seconds left. That's hilarious. Anyways, salad's ready to go. Pizzas are rocking and rolling. So be ready by the time they get home. So actually beat the clock tonight. All right, dishes are done, and so is the first pizza. This one will cool down, so I have time to cut it before they get inside. My pizza on. My husband's is just about cooked. They're in the driveway, so I'm so excited to see her today. When my husband called, she was in the back seat like, "Mommy, mommy," and I'm just pumped to see her. This is still quite warm. She is gonna get pizza, put a few veggies on here. They're coming in the door. Hi, how are you? Pizza, but make it healthy, and I promise you, this is gonna be so good. Try it. It's so good.